was also an executive board officer in a professional organization in CSO, which is SMS. I am also a scholar of the university and was privileged to be an exchange student abroad. And most importantly, I was able to experience to be a regular student, helping out my friends and colleagues in their efforts and initiatives. These experiences made me see issues and concerns of students from different perspectives, not just one perspective, through the conversations I had with them. But as I have conversations with them, the recurring sentiment that they have with the USG, which Kyla already mentioned earlier, is that the students don't feel that the USG is there for them. Tama ba?
Yes! Tama!
This is the reason why I present my simple, modest vision and platform for the university, which is for the USG to refocus. Refocus in what sense? By representing you, spotlighting others, and bridging all. And as I present myself as an independent candidate, I offer everyone a new brand of leadership. A leadership which is impartial and unbiased. This is the reason why I am not wearing any color, either yellow or orange, because I believe that genuine leadership should be provided to the students. A leadership that is impartial and unbiased. Because when there's too much politics, it leaves no room for leadership. Again, when there's too much politics, it leaves no room for leadership. And I feel that this USG really needs to engage and connect with the students more on a grounded and personal level. This is the reason why, my fellow candidates, after these elections, win or lose, let us always remember to be grounded in our Lasallan identity as we share it with other people. By being the change that we want to see and become the spark of hope, not only for our Lasallan community, but also for the greater Philippine society. This is the reason why I believe these general elections should be really more than just a campaign. Rather, we should start engaging with each other in conversations so that we can really see the change and the hope that we want to see here inside the university. Let us be part of the movement. Let us become everyday Lasallan heroes. As we envision USG to refocus by representing you, spotlighting others, and bridging all. Once again, I am Miggy Moreno, and I am your University Student Government President.